Let's start, please. Patient and waiting for us. Before we start, can I request Miss Mansi Modi for him? Now can I?
Man, look inside, yes. Center look.
Thank you so much. Do this for you.
Yeah.
Lighting the lamp. From you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes.
3, 2, 1, go!
बारह की अच्छा क्वालिटी है। हाँ, 12 3 लाख मिल जाएगा। Thank you, sir.
It's been our first product and kind of a debut nameplate. And since the launch of Hector early on, it has become kind of synonymous for the MG brand as such, emerging as one of the India's most loved SUV in its segment. And today we have more than 1.5 lakh customers already on road enjoying the Hector. However, today we are taking this legacy to a next notch with the introduction of all new MG Hector, which we just unveiled. The new MG Hector, as you would have seen, has many new things, many firsts. First, it has its new designed styling, the great new style bumpers, the premium interiors, the superior comforts inside. But not only that, it enhances the in-car experience with the use of new technology. For the industry first iSwipe touch gesture controls, which allows you to take full control of music commands and the AC commands. The new Hector also comes with lot of enhanced Smart Boost technology, which allows you go up to 10 GB RAM capacity. And all this in a very superior package which has been rolled out for the new MG Hector, because we believe that a true mobility should not be limited to only a deserving or a limited few. The entire proposition is such a package that has been worked out that the new MG Hector will set itself a benchmark in its segment. Thank you.
So what is the on-road price of the car?
So the one what we announced is 11.99 to start with for limited units. It's ex-showroom, and this is for the across India.
That is the on-road price, or is it the
Ex-showroom.
what is the on-road price?
So that obviously you will have to add up the GST and all those
What
things.
are those three USPs you would like to differentiate from your previous Hector brand?
So There are quite a few. So let's say if I start with the Hex grill itself, what you would have seen, it kind of stands apart. The bumper which has bolt, it's like a new style bumper. And the in-car head unit screen, which you would have seen, infotainment screen. First, it has got a new RAM, which can upgrade up to 10 GB, and also the in-swipe controls. So these are the key things which have been added. We also have new introduced colors, exterior and also interiors.
So what about booking
Booking starts,
and delivery? Is there any waiting period for that?
they are available.
One question to Omkar sir. Could you tell about your experience with MG? When did you first get MG? How was your feeling today? How do you feel about it? Because MG has grown over time.
Absolutely, I think it's one of the most trusted brands in India now that has established its mark. And with the new MG Hector unveiling that we are here for today, I can only say, because I'm personally myself a MG Hector owner, and I'm proud to be a part of the family. I consider this as my family, and they've really taken good care of every time. They've improved it. They've pushed the boundaries. The brand has constantly tried to evolve. कुछ नया लेके आने की कोशिश हमेशा रहती है, और MG मुझे लगता है उस केस में हमेशा सक्सेसफुल रही है. और एज हमने सबने देखा, जिस तरीके के जिस मॉड्यूल और जिस तरीके की चीज़ें ऐड ऑन हुई हैं नए वर्जन में, आई थिंक ये फैमिली के लिए और सारे ओनर्स के लिए एक्चुअली एक बहुत ही ट्रीट की तरह होगा.
You now already are the owner of this car.
Yeah.
Are you upgrading yourself with a new variant?
Hopefully soon. Hopefully, I think I have just got tempted by the unveiling of it. I've just viewed the new version, and maybe I think that's definitely on my mind.
So what will be your message to Mumbaikars to grab this car as soon as possible?
I think grab it before the opportunity goes away. I think this is a steal deal. It's a great family car, I can say myself, because I've been a proud and a loyal owner of it for the past 5 years now. So I think this is something truly value for money. And this is, I think, something that's one of the most trusted brands in India now. And it's value, the kind of service that they have, the kind of, everything, the attention and everything. I think this is one of the best brands in India today to have, yeah.
So in terms of market segmentation, if the product is launched, so you must be having something in your mind that where you want to focus on which segment.
So right now the segment will be the one which we are already playing, because that segment continues to grow, and we feel the demand continues to attract. So we would be wanting to make further inroads into this segment.
Okay, thank you.